Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we learn and solve exercise 8C questions 1 to 15 chapter 8 of class 6 of composite mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we learn today? Today we learn and solve exercise 8C questions 1 to 15 of chapter 8. Chapter name is equations and topic is translating word problems into equation. Translating word problems into equations. Let's solve some questions. Now we solve question number 8. Question number 8 is the number divided by 6 equals 7. Suppose the number be x divided by is represented with division symbol, so the equation will be x divided by 6 equal to 7. Now x will be 1 divided by 6 transposed to the right hand side. This division symbol changes to multiplication symbol, so x will be 6 multiplied by 7. 6 multiplied by 7 is 42. Now we get x equal to 42, so the number is 42. Now we solve question number 9. Question number 9 is 4 times a number equals 20. What is the number? Suppose the number be x and 4 times is represented with multiplication symbol. So the equation will be 4 times a number equals 20. 4 multiplied with x equal to 20. This is the equation and we have to solve the value for the variable x. Now x will be 4 multiplied with x, so multiplication symbol changes, transposed to the right hand side. This 4 transposed to the right hand side, this multiplication symbol changes to division symbol. So x will be 1 divided by 4 multiplied with 20, and 1 divided by 4 multiplied with 20 is 4. 4 5 ja, 4 multiplied with 5 is 20, so x is 5. Now we get x equal to 5. So value for the variable x is 5. Now the number is 5. Now we solve question number 10. Question number 10 is 15 less than the marks scored by Sunil is 55. How many marks did Sunil score? Suppose the number be x. 15 less than the marks scored by Sunil is 55. This is the expression given and we have to solve the value for the variable. So the given equation will be 15 less than. Less than is represented with division. Less than is represented with subtraction symbol. So 15 less than the marks scored by Sunil is 55. This expression will be changed. Convert to the equation will be x minus 15 equal to 55. 15 less than the marks scored by Sunil is 55. So we have to subtract 15 from the variable x. X minus 15 equal to 55. Now x will be this minus 15 transposed to the right hand side, minus symbol changes to plus symbol. So x equal to 15 plus 55, and 15 plus 55 is 70. Now we get x equal to 70, so the number is 70. Now we will solve question number 11. Question number 11 is 1/6 of the distance travelled by Piyush is 20 kilometers. Find the distance travelled by Piyush. Suppose the distance travelled by Piyush is x kilometer and 1/6 of the distance travelled by Piyush is 20 kilometers. This is the expression given and we have to convert this expression into an equation and solve the value for the variable x. Now the equation will be 1/6. 1/6 will be represented with 1 divided by 6. So 1/6 of the distance traveled by Piyush is 20 kilometers. So the equation will be 1 divided by 6, x equal to 20 kilometers. Now x will be 1 divided by 6 transposed to the right hand side. This division symbol changes to multiplication symbol. So x will be 6 multiplied by 20, and 6 multiplied by 20 is 120. Now we get x equal to 120 kilometer. So the value for the variable x is 120. So the distance traveled by Piyush is 120 kilometers. Now we solve question number 12. Question number 12 is 5 times the speed of the train is 300 km per hour. Find the speed of the train. Suppose the speed of the train is x kilometer and 5 times will be represented with multiplication symbol. So the equation will be 5 multiplied with speed of the train is 300 km. So the equation will be 5 multiplied by x equal to 300 km per hour. Now we have to solve the value for the variable x. So x will be 5 transposed to the right hand side. This multiplication symbol changes to division symbol. So x will be 1 divided by 5 multiplied with 300 km. And 5 cancel with 300. 5 multiplied with 60 is 300. So x equal to 60 km per hour. Now we get the value for the variable x is 60. Now we get x equal to 60 km per hour. So the speed of the train is 60 km per hour. Now we solve question number 13. Question number 13 is 25 years ago my age was 49 years. How old am I now? Suppose my age be x years. 25 years ago my age was 49 years. So the equation will be x minus 25 equal to 49 years. Now x will be minus 25 transposed to the right hand side. This minus symbol changes to plus symbol. So x will be 25 plus 49, and 25 plus 49 is 74. Now x is 74 years. Now we get the value for the variable x is 74. Now I am 74 years old now. Now we solve question number 14. Question number 14 is, if twice the number of books in the library is 5200, how many books are there in the library? Suppose the number of books in the library is x and twice the number of books in the library is 5200. Twice means 2 multiplied with the number. So the equation will be 2 twice the number of books is 2 multiplied with x equal to 5200. Now x will be 2 transposing 2 to the right hand side. This multiplication changes to division symbol. So x will be 1 divided by 2 multiplied with 5200. Now 2 cancel with 5200. Now x will be 2600. Now there are 2600 books in the library. Now we solve question number 15. Question number 15 is, half the length of Jane's garden is 15 meters. Find the length of the garden. Suppose the length of the garden is x meters and given equation is half the length. Half will be represented with 1 divided by 2. So the equation will be 1 divided by 2, x is equal to 15 meters. Now x will be 1 divided by 2 transposed to the right hand side. This division symbol changes to multiplication symbol. So x will be 2 multiplied with 15. and 2 multiplied with 15 is 30 meters. Now we get value for the variable x is 30. So the length of the garden is 30 meters. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.